Hello guys, welcome back to Next People Fisher channel. So on today's video, I want to show you guys the best indicator that work very fine on MT5. Okay, as you can see, the notification you guys just heard is from this indicator. This indicator is actually going to notify you when to buy and when to sell. Okay, right here you can see we had a notification for volatility 25 FX index. Okay, so you can see we have a notification that we should buy at this, and we should buy at 229. Okay, so if you go back to, okay, let's go back to our volatility 25. You can see this notification comes here, and exactly here, if you place a trade here, this trade is actually a possibility to go up. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to install this indicator on your MT5. Okay, it's very easy, and all you have to do is to give me your attention, and I will direct you on how to install this particular indicator to your MT5. Okay, so let's get in. You to install this particular indicator, just for the comment section description, you can see a number that you can actually chat for you to get this particular indicator, and the number is always 24 active to get this particular indicator. Okay, so let me show you guys how to install this particular indicator to your MT5. And note, this particular indicator can work both MT5 and MT4. Okay, so right here you can see that I've actually downloaded the indicator, which is this indicator. Okay, I've actually gotten it from the right source. So this is it. Okay, these are the two indicators you're going to be getting once you ask for it. The important one is the second one, which is mega spike. Okay, is actually a premium indicator updated from the previous one. Okay, this one worked very perfect. And how to install it? Okay, for you to install it, all you have to do is to make sure you download it from the source, and then you don't have to do any plenty of it. All you have to do, just double click on it, and once you click on it, you wait for it to open on your MT5. Okay, once you open, just click yes, and that's all. So let's still go back to the file and double click on the second one. So once you double click on the second one, it's going to be opening again, and you click yes, and automatically you're going to be having the two indicator on your MT5. It's very simple as that. So now how do you open this indicator on your trading view? Okay, on your market, which is your trade. Okay, so let me show, let me say we are going to be trading on XAUSD. So I'm going to be opening XAUSD on new window. So for this indicator to work very fine on this XAUSD, you have to choose a 5 minutes time frame. Then you're gonna be dragging the indicator to the XAUSD screen. So it's going to pop up this notification. Just click yes and leave the setting default. Okay, so the second one, you're going to click on it. Okay, so you click OK. So here you can see the pure graph of this indicator, and from here you can actually notify you when to trade and when not to trade. Okay, this indicator is working perfectly. So if you need it, please check the number on the description, and again is subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can actually receive a great news if we post new video on how to trade or to mine meme coin. Okay, so have a lovely day. Bye.